Hot dog, who wants a hot dog? Best hot dogs in town. And today, special on energy meters. There you go, one hot dog. Would you also like some fries with it? No. I would like the special, please. One special coming right up. Would you like some fries with it? There you go, one special. Oh, so sorry. I would like the combo special, please. Combo coming up. There you go. One combo, clamp-on ultrasonic flow meter and temperature monitoring BTU kit. Sure you don't want some fries with that? That's right. The Fuji Portaflow C clamp-on ultrasonic transit time flow meter can monitor liquid flow and temperature, and it can do it non-invasively. Well now, with the ability to monitor both flow and temperature, why, you can measure BTU energy on your hydronic system. The equipment that you will need is portable ultrasonic Fuji FSC flow meter, and a clamp-on RTD temp kit. The temp kit comes with two precision calibrated matched pair of RTDs that do not require any field calibration with your flow meter. The output signal from the utility box is a 4 to 20 milliamp signal that goes to the input of your ultrasonic flow meter. The temp kit comes with thermal couplet, mounting straps, and or tape. So using the previous example with a non-invasive portable ultrasonic flow meter system, first you clamp on a transducer to the supply line to measure the flow. And then, using a special temperature kit, you clamp on the precision RTDs to the supply and the return line. Temperature differential monitoring is very critical, so it is important to use precision matched pair of temperature sensors. Now, the Fuji flow meter can store all this information in the data logger, and it can be easily retrieved by just removing the SD card and plugging it into your computer and opening the CSV file in Excel. So, if you'd like to learn more about non-contact energy monitoring, just give us a call or visit our website. This has been Brent Baird for InstrumentsDirect. Sure you don't want a side of fries to go with your energy meter? Would you like some ketchup to go with your fries? How about some mustard?